Wiring duct was first patented in 1955 by Panduit founder Jack Caveney. The original name for wiring duct was panel conduit, which was shortened to become Panduit. Since then, the name Panduit has been synonymous with wiring duct products. Our traditional line of flush cover wiring duct includes Type F, a narrow finger wiring duct suitable for matching the spacing of high-density components. Type G, wide finger duct, which provides greater sidewall rigidity for larger wire bundles. Type FS, a solid wall duct ideal for fully enclosed cable runs. Type MC, our line of narrow slot metric duct. And Type D, round hole duct, which offers precise height and position control for cables. Next, our line of hinged wiring duct styles offer dual-sided hinge covers for quick cable access and reduced cover loss. Panduit also offers wide-slot halogen-free solutions that resist high temperatures and are safer in the event of a fire. In addition, our patented specialty line of PanelMax products, designed to save space and reduce cost, includes the following styles. DIN rail duct maximizes space utilization up to 30% by raising the DIN rail and components onto itself. Shielded wiring duct provides up to 20 dB of electrical noise attenuation. The noise shield divider wall protects sensitive wires in space-restricted locations or within a length of conventional duct. Corner wiring duct reclaims up to 20% panel space by using the previously unusable corner space. For control panel doors or AGV applications, we have flexible wiring duct, which features high bond adhesive and interlocking fingers. This eliminates the need for traditional fasteners or covers. Most wiring duct styles and sizes are also Build America, Buy America compliant. For more information about the full line of Panduit wiring ducts, visit panduit.com.